Good morning, Europe. Good afternoon, Asia. Warm welcome to HARTING's third Industrial Ethernet Week. We are very happy and proud to have all of you with us this morning. And we are particularly proud that we have some of you with us who visited us already last year. And we are looking forward to a really exciting week together with you. We will have leaders in industrial communication, industrial Ethernet, and industrial AI on stage here during the week. As always, we would like to discuss with you and communicate with you even during the week. So I can tell you all channels are open. Use the Zoom chat. We will pass questions to the people on stage, and we will after them on stage or afterwards. All our LinkedIn channels, the HARTING channel, but also our private ones, you can see our names here, are open for questions, discussions, and whatever you would like to communicate. And now we are going to start with the first day and talk about industrial AI, a big thing, and we would like to bring it to Earth. We would really like to discuss where are we, where are the real use cases. And as I'm more a marketer than an AI expert, I asked for support on stage today to guide you and our guests through the day. And I would like to welcome Robert Weber. And we know us for a couple of years already now. Robert is hosting the Industrial AI podcast. So he really knows what he's talking about, what our guests are talking about, and what is the real stuff about industrial AI. Thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure.